Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Sonata key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is widely available. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is quick to complete. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side of your fob and press it firmly. This will allow you to slide out the emergency key. Once the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small slot or indentation where the key was housed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure to begin prying the two halves of the fob apart. With the screwdriver in place, carefully twist it to separate the two halves of the key fob. They should snap apart with minimal effort. Once open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's placed in the correct orientation. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear them click securely into place. Don't forget to slide your emergency key back into its slot. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.